You guys, we're going to Adelaide. So, I want to go and take you, I had big plans. We're going to go to the beach, we're going to go check out all these old buildings, we're going to go to some of these churches that were built back in the 1800s, going to go fly the drone around and ride a bike, there's like free bikes here in Adelaide, but unfortunately, it's bloody hot.
So hot right now.
It's 40 degrees, and yesterday when I got in, I was really fatigued from a lot of duties, a lot of work, and so I decided to have a sleep instead.
I'm just a big toasty cinnamon bun. I never want to leave this bed.
And it was a great sleep, will not lie, slept amazingly. And so today I've got a few hours of daylight, so I'm actually going to go and check out a few of the sites I was going to do yesterday. But I can't hire a bike because it's above 38 degrees, and it's too hot apparently. When it's above 38, they don't give you the free bikes because they're afraid that you're just going to pass out. That's enough talking. Welcome back. Here's my next video. Cool, let's do it. So I'm going to walk past Adelaide Oval so I can show you that. I'm going to go to one of the old churches and fly my drone down here. So let's get to it. That boat is called Popeye 3. What happened to the first two Popeyes? Oh. No thanks. Alright, so here I'm at Adelaide Oval, which is essentially like the central area for sports here in Adelaide. Go Sports!
Yeah, Mo, that team sure did suck last night. They just plain sucked. I've seen teams suck before, but they were the suckiest bunch of sucks that ever sucked.
Homer, watch your mouth!
I gotta go, my damn wiener kids are listening.
So you got the field behind you for the cricket, AFL, and over here, it's a really cool looking old tennis court. Probably some history behind it, I don't know it. So next time I have more time here in Adelaide, I'm going to go check out Adelaide Oval. They do like a little walk on the roof there. That'd be pretty cool. Apparently during the AFL games you can also sit up there for one of the quarters, which gives you an awesome view. Oh look, water. Yeah, that's hot. Ugh. I bet I wasn't meant to drink that. Oh well. This is beautiful. Adelaide, you have some nice parks. Beautiful church. I'll take some photos of these doors because we all know from the Europe trip how much Emma loves her doors, or at least from her photo album. She has an album for about probably 300 pictures of doors, so that woman loves doors. Go over to this monument called Cross of Sacrifice. Now I'm going to assume that that is for for our military. So I can have a look at that. And that's also the edge of where I'm allowed to pop the drone up. So I'm going to put the drone up there. I'm going to try and take a cool photo of this cathedral on above and try and get a photo of the stadium from just over there. Stadium. Sound good? Sounds great. Let's go. So this here is the cross of sacrifice. It's probably best to see it though from the air. So off you go. Going to be a quick one today, so that's all. Just got a quick little drone flight around the stadium and the church, and of course I use the Casa app. Can I fly here? And I can fly here, as always. So I'm going to head back now to the hotel. Thanks so much for watching this quick little update. I thought I needed to show you something. Couldn't leave you go for like 2 weeks to my next video. So short and sweet, but thank you so much for watching, and see you. Let's see. I don't know where I'm going next. Maybe we can start calling this series the Mystery Vlogs. It's always a mystery destination. Even I don't even know where I'm going to vlog next. But it's always going to be somewhere in Australia. Or maybe Bali. Maybe Fiji. Ooh. Maybe New Zealand. Actually, it is a mystery. Thanks again, and please consider subscribing because it definitely helps my ego. I found Popeye 2 and 1. They didn't sync like I thought they would. They're just there. 3, 2, 1.